Welcome back to our channel D.S.R. I'm Zoe and today I'm doing the 5 things that I love about my MT07 2021. The first reason that I love this bike then is the overall looks. I think in general the MT range is a pretty good looking bike. I know lots of people see it as a bit of a Marmite thing. I'm definitely on the love side. Spoiler alert, I do say I don't like the front end looks in my 5 things I hate about the bike, which the link will be above right now. But if you don't look at it from the front on, look at it from the side, I think she's pretty good looking. And we all know it's looks that draw us in first. The second reason I love this bike then is the price. It is an affordable middleweight naked bike. Decent engine, yes, you're lacking on the electronics, any of the rider aids, but for what you're getting, it is a decent price. The third reason I love this bike then is the usability for all types of riders. I'm only in my first year of riding and I found it a really great bike to develop my skills on. But I know if Matt jumped on this, he'd still have an awesome time just because he's going to be able to get that front end up easily. This bike certainly gives me the confidence just to get better and better, and I've already felt that improvement in the couple of months I've had her. The MT range, as we know, is famed for its torque, and that's what makes the bike so exciting. It's not a smooth power delivery throughout the gears. It's got that power at the bottom end, which makes it perfect for going round the B roads, going around, you know, country back roads. You're not missing out because it's a 700 cc engine, or 698. The 5th and final thing that I love about this bike is the handling. I think particularly the tweaks that they made from the 20 version to the 2021, widening the handlebars, just makes this bike really easy to maneuver. The bike is light, it's got a good centre of gravity. None of the gears feel sluggish. Overall, the more I ride this bike, the more I love it. And there we have it, the 5 things that I love about my MT07 2021. If you love the video, it would be great if you could give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on future content coming up. In the meantime, ride safe.